To build a strong, wrongful dismissal claim in Alberta, you need to gather evidence that establishes the terms of your employment, the nature of your dismissal, and your financial losses. Core employment documents include the following: your employment contract. This is the most critical document as it outlines your salary, your job duties, and specific termination or severance clauses. The termination letter. Keep the formal notice provided by your employer. If you didn't receive one, you have the right to request a written statement for the reasons of your dismissal, which the employer must provide within 15 days. We've mentioned the employee handbook several times. This can prove whether your employer followed their own internal disciplinary or termination procedures. What about the proof of work performance? If your employer claims you were fired for just cause, for example, misconduct or poor performance, you will need evidence to refute these claims. Performance reviews collect all past appraisals, especially those showing satisfactory or exceeds expectations ratings. Commendations. Save emails from supervisors, clients, or coworkers that praise your work or effort. And disciplinary records. Gather any previous warning letters or records of improvement to show if a pattern of behavior actually existed. Communication and witness records. For example, direct correspondence. Preserve all emails, text messages, or memos regarding your performance, complaints you made, example, safety or harassment, or the dismissal itself. Witness statements identify coworkers or clients who can testify to unfair treatment, discrimination, or the circumstances of your firing. Financial records and mitigation. You must prove the financial damages caused by the dismissal. Keep your record of employment, pay stubs, and tax documents to calculate lost wages, commissions, and bonuses. In Alberta, you have a legal duty to mitigate your losses. Keep a detailed record of every job application, interview, and rejection letter to prove you are actively seeking new work. Save receipts for any costs incurred due to termination, such as career counseling, travel for interviews, taxi fares, Uber, and anything to show you had to pay out of pocket expenses. Additional evidence, which are case specific, may include medical records. If you were fired while on medical leave or due to a disability, gather doctor notes and HR correspondence regarding your condition. Medical reports, psychological assessments, and diagnoses as a result of the conduct and treatment by your employer upon termination. Keep copies of any formal complaints filed with HR prior to your termination to support claims of retaliatory dismissal.